When we think about the future, we often imagine flying cars, intergalactic travel, and of course, robots. But while those ideas are fun, the immediate future is unfolding right before our eyes, shaped by artificial intelligence. And guess what? The very AI is starting to influence how people like you and me earn online. But how and to what extent? Today, we're diving deep into how AI is revolutionizing online earnings. Brewing up profits and possibilities. That's what we do here at the Business Cafe, your source for all things money making. Did you know that according to a recent study, the AI market is estimated to grow up to $190.61 billion by 2025? Yes, you heard that right. Such astronomical growth means one thing for online businesses and entrepreneurs: opportunity. But before we journey through this AI-driven online landscape, consider this. AI isn't just about machines learning anymore. It's about how they can help us earn more efficiently and innovatively. Are you using an app or a tool that recommends products or courses based on your preferences? Or maybe a platform that optimizes ad placements for your blog? That's AI at work, my friends. The digital content creation space, for instance, has experienced a massive shift thanks to AI. Creators are now using AI tools to edit videos, transcribe audio, and even craft content strategies. No more sifting through hours of footage or typing out long transcripts. A huge time saver, right? Now, if you're soaking in this information and finding it valuable, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Here at the Business Cafe, we're always brewing fresh insights for you. Back to AI. E-commerce is another domain touched by the magic of AI. Personalized shopping experiences, chatbots assisting customers 24/7, predictive analysis that helps stock products better. It's all AI, improving sales and enhancing customer experience. But with great power comes great responsibility. It's essential to recognize the ethical considerations surrounding AI. The machine learns from data, and sometimes that data can be biased, leading to skewed results and missed opportunities. As entrepreneurs and businesses, we need to be aware and proactive in addressing these issues. The future of online earning with AI is bright, but it should be right too. Did I mention online tutoring platforms? AI-driven platforms can now identify a student's learning style and adapt content to best fit their needs, making education personalized like never before. This means educators can focus on delivering quality, while AI takes care of the customization. Affiliate marketing, AI is reshaping that too. With predictive analytics, marketers can now forecast which products will become hits, enabling them to align their marketing strategies accordingly. So the big question, is AI the future of online earning? Absolutely. It's not just a tool, it's a partner that can analyze, predict, and adapt in milliseconds. Now let's delve deeper into the intricacies of AI and its influence on various domains of online earning. Ever wondered how streaming services like Netflix or Spotify seem to know what you want to watch or listen to next? This isn't just guesswork, it's AI. These platforms gather data from your watch or listen history, analyzing patterns and preferences. Then, they suggest content that aligns with your tastes. For creators and advertisers, this means better targeting, ensuring that their content or ads reach the right audience, optimizing potential earnings. But let's talk about another huge online market: freelancing. Sites like Upwork and Fiverr are integrating AI to match freelancers with clients. Instead of a client sifting through thousands of profiles, AI tools analyze project requirements and match them with the best-suited professionals. This ensures faster project commencement and better work outcomes. For freelancers, this means more gigs and higher income. There's a saying, time is money. AI embodies this by automating repetitive tasks. For instance, think about CRM systems. Before AI, businesses had to manually input customer data, track interactions, and predict sales. Now, with AI-powered CRM systems, data input, customer interaction tackling, and sales predictions are not only automated but also more accurate. Such automation frees businesses to focus on strategy and relationship building, leading to more substantial online earnings. Let's narrate a story. Imagine Sarah, an online store owner. Earlier, Sarah had to manually check her inventory, guess which products might become popular based on seasons or trends, and then invest accordingly. Now with AI tools, Sarah gets predictions on upcoming product trends, and her system automatically manages inventory based on real-time sales data. Sarah can now focus on marketing and customer engagement. Multiply Sarah's success with thousands of online entrepreneurs leveraging AI, and you grasp the sheer impact of AI on online earnings. Robots writing content? Sounds like science fiction, right? But with the tools like GPT-3, businesses can generate content, be it product descriptions, ad copies, or even articles. While it might not replace human creativity fully, it can undoubtedly supplement it, driving down costs and increasing output. Writers, fear not, but maybe collaborate with AI for that next bestseller or viral ad campaign. The very notion of machines creating literary pieces or promotional material was once relegated to futuristic movies or speculative novels. However, the rapid progression of artificial intelligence, particularly through natural language processing models like GPT-3, has blurred these lines. Today, companies worldwide utilize these technologies to generate everything from catchy slogans to detailed product reviews. For instance, according to a 2021 survey, over 40% of digital marketing agencies reported experimenting with AI-generated content to boost their efficiency and scale up their content strategies. This isn't about displacing human writers, but enhancing their capabilities. With AI, businesses can quickly create bulk content like product listings, freeing human writers to focus on more nuanced and creative tasks. Consider e-commerce platforms, which may have thousands of product listings. Manually writing or updating descriptions for each can be a Herculean task. AI can come in handy, producing standardized descriptions at a fraction of the time, cost, and effort. However, while AI can mimic human writing styles, it still lacks genuine human emotion, intuition, and nuanced understanding of cultural context. This is where the collaboration between human writers and AI becomes invaluable. Imagine a scenario where a novelist uses AI to brainstorm plot ideas or outline a storyline, then infuses it with personal experiences, emotions, and cultural insights, creating a rich and resonant narrative. The merging of AI tools with human creativity is not about competition, but synergy. The future might just see AI and humans co-authoring books, devising marketing strategies, or even scripting movies. It's easy to sing praises, but what about the challenges? AI is not without its flaws. Data privacy concerns loom large. With AI analyzing user data, the line between personalization and intrusion can blur. Businesses embracing AI must prioritize user trust, ensuring data safety and transparency in its use. Furthermore, the evolving nature of AI means continuous learning. Online entrepreneurs must stay updated with AI trends to maximize its potential. It's not just about adopting AI, it's about growing with it. For those hesitant about diving into the AI realm, remember, every technological revolution brings naysayers. Yet, those who adapt and evolve are the ones who thrive. The internet itself was once a novelty, seen with skepticism. Today, it's the backbone of global business. AI is not just a trend, it's the next big leap in our digital evolution. In wrapping up our extended look into the marvels of AI in the realm of online earnings, AI is not just a futuristic concept, it's the present, reshaping how we conduct business online, how we earn, and how we grow. The future is here, and it's automated. Don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Join us at the Business Cafe for more deep dives into the business world's evolving landscape.